Three people them, they sleep straight for Sika accident wey happen for inside Douala, Ferush Besenge. Overnight, we go talk that palava this afternoon. We go take una to for that side from Buddha. Again, Muncho Kwata, na for the way they don't catch 50 people them. They dey smoke banga, and inside these 5, we get one woman where they pick them to for inside these 50 people there. They pick them for side from Muncho Kwata for place where they call them same Buddha. We go take una go to for Dibamba, now for inside Douala here where they don't chakara some people them house. This early morning time, tori wey enter we ear, it show say they catch some people them too. They take and go for back counter. Chapter for Corona, we never finish for talk. So we go turn back for talk this palava where they bury some pa, where they talk say die for Sika Corona 2 times inside 24 hours. We get plenty newspaper them for we before. The big part of for this afternoon, it talk for we say no matter how a person is sleep, that sleep e no fit spoil person in eye. No matter how a person is sleep, that sleep e no fit spoil that person in eye. Big part of comot now for Pa Ngole Nchikang Amos Ngang wey the Shidon for that side for Nyasoso village. I dey turn back small time. Good afternoon, country people them. Plenty glad for meet up una again for this side for Inside Equinox at Tori House. This number 2 time for Monday. Chapter for this afternoon. Waiting to happen for inside we quarter. We go start now for Douala. For whose place? Ferush Besenge. In over far away from we own Tori House. Now for the way accident be passed overnight as we Tori enter for we EM. 3 people them die. The tori wey enter for we ear the tell we say this one na some Okada where he lost control. As he lost control, motorcycle become pass. He moved them for game. So inside this palava, 3 people them die. Army rescue people the way they come out from Godi. Now them say they be wrong go there for go see as well they go come out the die body them for road. On top the same chapter for see. As way they go carry their body them, go for side where they get for goalkeeper. Now for Ferush Besenge way that one they pass for evening time, Sunday evening time, breaking this Monday. Inside Douala 2, chapter for land, we go so continue for talk. We take una go for some place, now for Dibamba that, where people them for inside this small village for some quarter. They only wake up this morning time, see as when Gongoro, Caterpillar SSF, he come, with our council police them, they can't chakara people them house. You go see self saying a signboard for school and a school that where it turn up to for the way they so they can't chakara the land. As we tori enter we here. Na palava saying a man where he claims in a house. You feel see I'm saying a school that where they don't chakara, where the man he claim saying for a land where they don't build a school. So he come with the people them for saying the chakara. Now Ngongo no sesep he be do the work. Common for inside council as we tori enter for we EM we be get even people themselves for mobile intervention to them office Oga Mefire Commissioner Mefire office. Plenty of them they be there where all them they come now for say if the population e want truncate they go catch them and sabi self say the population for someone half they be don't talk say they go block road national road number 3 say me motor they no pass for sika say according to them that house where they chakaram it be na illegal. It means say na true they no get book or Commissioner Mefire he say be turn up he be give commander for a boy them say make no man no shake, make no man no worry, say they so they don't come and they go maintain peace. And sabi self say as well they come one day where they be one make like say they hate, they be carry them goes on side, and the other one them they be only turn up for say make no person no disturb this chakara way it happen for this. So plenty people them as well don't talk, they go sleep under empty air this today for inside Douala for place where they call them say Dibamba. Now some of the people them that where they be throw hate as well they be one at Takara house where they be one cause disorder. They carry all them whether now with their clothes they don't take them. They did them plenty where they carry them, they don't bring them back for inside Douala where they bring them as well here. They go put them somewhere for back counter. Plenty of them they did now for inside this bag motor as well now this year where it they so then say they be the fight. According to them, they talk say it be na illegal. Say book day for sure. Say it they so the people they get right. And when you look the way they shit on palava corona way day and this kind of time where people they shit on, they know they cover their nose and their mouth with empty skin and with the tight for one place. People them don't they ask plenty question on top this palava. We hear saying Gongoro people then say they dey for small worker for vex. This morning time, San Milima Weso, for people there, they sabi Weso, now roadway they enter for Congo. Them say the Gongoro people them, they don't provoke, them say they be there for waka for vex today. So now for Sika Wida you see all this Ngongoro them pack for corner roads today a morning time. They don't talk say waiting. They don't like the kind of way where uniform people they treat them for Sika say they want to do control for their skin. They say some then say they knock them, some they make like say the Ngongoro people them they no get right for talk. So now on top this kind of watching where they say uniform people them they do one for them. Now for Sika Wida where this Ngongoro then says they don't deny say they no go work again today as we to re-enter with EM and for Sika that one all them they turn up now for roads and they talk say where them work day. So now for Sika so where this Gongoro then says where they di waka Sang Milima Cameroon go for way so for that side so for Congo they don't deny for work to them until uniform people them they stop that open eye where they ever show them for them for on top that route. We go take una adjust now. We go for different palava. Na palava for thief people them. Fungo the answer na soldier them. No, not them that. Not them 5 plus that woman. We make 5. They get their training ground. We understand. So they pick them from that training ground where they smoke and they make training. They bring them for near them office. Now for inside quarter, where them call them say a muncho for Mbuda, where they so they pick them. They pick them with all this iron and collars them, where they use them attack. Now even them banger them that, where they smoke and then they hide, then they go disturb people them for inside quarter for that side. So for Mucho quarter, for Mbuda, for West region. Now the grass and that, where they carry them up for Kanshram, for country people them for that side. So for Mbuda, Sabi say now join work when then say for that side they do. The people they be the chop fine, they get fruit, they play their cards. Now just so they carry them come. Just now, from side where they carry them come, we go enter for inside their camp. Now their camp this. Now for where they do their training. When I don't see small banger there, they don't tie them, their knives them, their collars, and even bought to Mimbo way they iron where they jig for say me they train. We then have for inside their own training ground just now. Now for the way all team it starts before they carry them go show and for people them for town for that side so from Buddha. As we to re-enter we here. These people they be get their place where they play all their game. Now they Ludo that where they play them too. So they get all team for here. Now chop that where the boy even start for cook am. You see Maggie, onion, fowl where they don't go thief am for some side or now outside the fowl come out. They don't kill them. They be prepare for cook before near themselves. They can surprise them for inside their own town. See rice where it already be prepared. So they want chop rice, stew and fowl. You understand? See fruit today for corner. They live like people the way they so know nothing. You know they do for them. So now inside their camp this where they can meet up them native people them where we hear say they don't disturb people them for inside Mucho quarter from Buddha. And for inside here they smoke too. Smoke, they go thief, bring them for here. Then this woman, it be shows that the woman, it be the cook for them. No ask me whether the woman be get different work where be the do. And so as well you see they train for make their skin, it come up plenty so that they get power, they fighting people there. So now from their camp where they carry that their iron where they use and make a show for them plus their woman, the only woman they for them. Now for them they come out all them for outside small they come out them for camp as well we hear now 2 near them office where they join for do this work and Sabi say the big man Ajudan where they call it say last place Sebastian and the other come be them now then say they join so then say they be the do the kind of two point, some people go check say na Station of the Cross. Thief people them see far away they don't hang out for mommy neck plus rice wey carry am and the cargo them wey wan cook for e own people dem say make dem chop, but dem no sabi say the day na the last day wey dem go see them, so they work out with them for town. Na so all man dey look them mommy chain na fowl wey dey hang am for neck, all dem work am, and as you see them na people them wey dem don cause confusion plenty for inside Mucho Quarter from Buda, only for Sika chapter for thief. So people them for Mucho Quarter just now, them too they go rest small. Now make una see the training wey they do am, no be na mob. If you want thief, you must to get power. Now their training ground is e dey na for back some confirm where if you dey pass for road, you no go even sabi self say some place dey for inside that bush so where they don't keep am, where people them they sit down for them and na for day where the people they high see am na training that they train as where they go climb for money house and they get their rope. They train like normal uniform people them. You see no, na so they train for day so that they get power and for do anything. So people them they talk say me they show we as well on the train. Now so all Montana we say so na the do and so down na the practice. So people they be look am it be just they like say na normal near the way they train bed. Now the people their own training ground out where they catch them for inside Buda for West region as we Tori enter for inside we here. We go take una just now. We go for open chapter for on top chapter for Corona way day for we country for inside Boya na for a southwest region. Sabi sep say 21st Infantry Motorized Battalion them sesep they don't enter for inside disarmament center for inside Boya. Sabi say before na palava for fight we boy them say they be take gun they be the shoot with uniform people them as well they fight for that side. So for Boya plenty of these boy them for Sika say they see say thing they know the waka, plenty of them where they check say they no fit continue after when Kunkuma be talk say may they left bush, may they left gun, plenty of them they don't left the gun, and just now plenty they dey now for inside Postal Institute. Now for them we Oga Bernard Foju we been at the big man for inside this palava for disarmament is be with them, but sabi say na big man for near them soldier work where they call it say Oga Severin he kiss yourself he go give this cargo them for this we brother them where they say they left gun for Sika palava say Corona day, so he member them too. So now uniform people them work where they do for member these people them for that side. So for inside Boya make we hear waiting where it is so Oga Afonju Bernard he talks sabi say night he look at this boy them where they don't left gun for that side for Boya.
On a daily basis, I know we enter the town that come over the don't can tell me about 500-600 people. My wife in hospital, my pikin in hospital. I don't get the money where I could give them for pay hospital bills. Government never give me. It not be possible for now. But I'm here in contact with them on a daily basis. National Foundation today are on government day are on. When they tell me somebody begin to see, when I begin to see for Kumba, or for Mampo, or for the Bialet, or even for Konayi from Luka, that man not really at peace. If my woman is sick, he don't shop, you know, they at peace. That one will worry your mind. When you get some problem, you will think the problem is for center. Meanwhile, the problem is the inside center. Before you come outside, they affect you in the inside center. And one of the biggest challenges that we face.
Oga Fonju Bernard, headman for this armament center for site for Boyam, it be the talk for Derek Jato. Derek Jato to be take time for talk with the DO for inside the Boya subdivision. They be calling Oga Abba Abdurrahman. Make we here too, wait till we get for talk for the boy the way they left gone. We uniform people, they remember them for Palava for Corona.
This consignment we would see them today, na gesture from the colonel commander for the 25th Motorized Brigade for support the head of state in which way he do. But he don't decide say, that my friend them way they did for Postal Institute. Now best people where they listen or call for head of state. That hand where head of state bring up talk say, someone will make error. But Pikin na pikin. You call it, say, come back home. And now for Sika say you don't listen for that message. For head of state, we put our head together and Colonel decide say, if I say may bring that gift now for una.
Yes, Oga D.O. for inside the Boya subdivision, they will talk for Derek Jato. Sabi serve plenty of the church people them for Kinship International when Prophet Frank he beget plenty so today. They never so believe and they need so agree. Say their papa he don't die. Now dome of that for Prophet Frank in house for Saturday where plenty people then say they come. Sabi say plenty time. Moto be one enter ambulance way they bring am for can carry their body be one enter. But family people them deny. They talk say Prophet Frank he don't go waka. He don't go for small spiritual retreat. I wait to God say he get for come back saying that something that ever happen. So moto enter, but moto go come out back where they deny. So all man he be confused on top this palaver. As we church people they pray. He be bad so they bring mommy water too, and people they say they start wear clothes. Now it means a time for power. He be don't start with. So as we church people they pray. Now so say they be pray for insight for talk say Prophet Frank. He go don't wake up just for Sabi on top this palaver for Prophet Frank. We never fit for confirm whether na corona or na poison, but Sabi say the two story them will be here on top this palaver na say poison and another one it the talk palaver for corona. So we know if we talk on top wait way it be really killing. But just so Sabi prayer be dey plenty as so I be talk for morning time. Person wey be go for day with a wish for a belly, then the wish also remain for his skin. It means say that wish it be strong that pass that prayer when they be pray for say make Prophet Frank he wake up back. Make we take una go back for Sebek.
Of offense and a stumbling block that whoever the stone fall on will smash and whoever did fall on the stone will be scattered into pieces.
And just for Sabi say as well prayer be they happen for outside, it happen to for house, but you know be fit for wake up Prophet Frank when at last around past 7 where they come out thy body be there inside the motor when the same so for inside plastic paper. Now for inside that motor where it dey so a convoy itself after where they throw small crashing water for people them back, where people then shift where last they come out thy body for Prophet Franklin Afangwe Ntifo, they go put them for 6 feet. Now for that side so for Bona burial ground. Now for the way they put it for night around that kind of 8 o'clock on Saturday after the prayer them we be so fit for wake up. We this also continue for Saint Ashia for all the church people them for Kinship and even family people them for Prophet Franklin. We wanna Sabim he be the first prophet for enter say one tana for president chair for we country history too. He don't leave them for back for picking them for learn after. Now, so for chapter for Corona, country people them, some part today where they bury 2 times inside 24 hours. Now for burial ground, for inside Bonaberry again. Tori we enter we here, as we see plenty uniform people them for them. They say they bury power for Saturday, for sick say they talk say die Corona. Family deny, D.O.S.S. be dey may or be dey. The moto, now be carry thy body, they can't dig thy body overnight for 2 o'clock, early Sunday morning time. Say they want take go bury for place where they call them say waiting, Bangu, for Chang, West region. But Sabi say the people they no be even Sabi, say they so for Sika, say they be bury Prophet Frank to the same Saturday. Moto they be the tonton for corner for check whether any person go enter for do any kind of thing. The boy then say they can't dig by thy body, come out Now the same them, they can open them, they dig them again, then say they take by their body again, put them back for the same coffin where they be don't fit dig them, they leave them carry by their body for outside. So it be then a palaver where they catch them and sabi say na for sika say near then say they be the make patrol for around burial ground for say make no man enter for them after we dey so they be don bury Prophet Frank. And just for sabi after we dey finish bury that man, country people them na back for near them own office the motor wey be carry the die body and all the family people them they be take them back for near them office for they na for go keep them for back counter for sick as say they do thing wey no man no be ever get for do am. They do thing wey dey so the man expect say get for happen, but after they trade them all that thing for their skin, they keep them for back counter for sick as say the thing wey they do na thing wey normal them say they get forget casting for the kind of thing wey they do am. Just now, sabi say this chloroquine say wey they talk say it kill coronavirus. According to Donald Trump, his own country Tory House the Terry says they don't learn some small book again on top this chloroquine, and the biggest part for this book where they learn, they talk say this hydroxy chloroquine, they say that medicine after we Donald Trump talk say if he cure coronavirus, then they talk say the thing the work at all for corona, and they talk say this one if he been at the cause for instead people there they get heart problem them. According to CNN it talk palava this hydroxychloroquine where they say the cure corona, but it surely give a heart problem them, as we CNN says they tweet for their own Twitter accounts for that side. Now so we see country now the small thing that will bring them for now. Make we see where newspaper then say then get them for we go start with the star where they tell we corona the fear it don't enter for inside church, it don't keep Prophet Frank. Waiting one sabi about this palava if he enter for the Star newspaper as well they write. Then start to tell we palava aboya Fako High Court where then say they don't push case this other habeas corpus for Samuel Wazizi for number 28 day inside this month. If you read chapter 2 as we bomb Ichakaram, plenty people then say they get caught. Bamenda Bolore they say they don't cash it for sika a back binet we don't do am inside Africa. Archbishop Samuel Cleda says more time that in medicine for cure corona they go send them for the whole country. You go read to so whether it then says the Ndongame will happen, plenty change them, they don't come for inside their office. Tori day for inside the Eden paper and I just saw it for buy. He reads a guidance post this sometime it tell we as we plenty confusion. It day for corner this Prophet Franklin it for a die. Waiting me that confusion the guidance post go talk for we. Gratango in office too it tell we as well they don't send all that medicine them or face mask when Kunkuma be just buy for people there their hand is short. Kunkuma and Palava Switzerland them for lookout talk for bring peace for we country. You feel it them for inside the guidance post we dey outside this afternoon. We enter for the sun we dey to for outside today. Inside the sun University for Boya Vice Chancellor it don't come up for talk on top this Palava Barrister Balai case where he don't talk all the way you begin for Sabi, and even the Palava where they say they give people school picking the marks after where they don't chop soya. There are plenty drama to be there for Prophet Franklin for his own compound after where the Congo side talk say he died for Sika Corona as well the Sun newspaper he talk for we this afternoon. You go read other one them for inside the Sun. The median he ask BB question say this so now who don't thief some of the thing them where it Bibin and Kunkuma he dash he go send them for Kumba General Hospital. Question where the median Tory people that they ask and the median to the Terry after where the key mayor for that side so for Manu they say Manu division people they don't talk say don't too much on top this palava. You go read Tory too for palava for die for Prophet Franklin Ntifo inside the median newspaper. We enter now for inside News Watch where they tell we as well they don't teach Tory people them on top how we they so they feel support we Muslim people them inside this palava where it they so corona day and how we they report when people they say they get the sick. Kunkuma says it dash for new people them dash for face masks for people that they no get for buy it already go for the whole country. You go read to newspaper their own association where then say they don't give small help for news Tory house them. You go read for inside the Post newspaper as well as security be day plenty family says be day they be the fight on top Prophet Franklin before he die body. Young boy the way they provoke, then say they don't make waka for vex for that side for Manu, for Sika where they kill their mayor. Now so if you read Tori for Corona and inside Northwest region. We go left the post, we enter just now for Inside the Voice. The Voice in the take we for top 20th May, waiting be the history. Then they ask if na National Day or na National Unity Day. If you answer all that question them, only for read The Voice. Britain, Queen Elizabeth country too, he don't recognize, he don't see and agree. UN them resolution for 1608, but The Voice it tell we sorted now. They never fit for adopt and for make the way they talk and make it pass. Advocate newspaper they tell we as we plenty prayer where they be pray for on top Prophet Franklin say go wake up, he no wake up. Limbe a deep seaport, chief the ancestor for Fako, they don't glad plenty and they talk say make action it start happen inside the same Tory for the advocate. You go read other Tory them for them. Make you enter for the Horizon newspaper way day 2 for outside this afternoon. Horizon the tell we as we Queen Elisa a country says he don't put Changut say make Cameroon he remain one and make no person he no can divide them inside Horizon today the tell we Mayor Mafani he says 3 people them then they don't remain for inside office. If you read that chapter for the Horizon plus Palava for newspaper people then they don't support Tory people them inside this Palava for fights against Corona for we country. If you read other Tory them for the Horizon we day outside. Now to read them that will bring this afternoon if Papa God help. Tomorrow another day we'll go turn back for talk for some time. Thank you plenty Amos Fongo, Malice and Ledu with the joy hand for say make all we bring on a Tory for this afternoon. As what for tomorrow if Papa God help. On a whole I'm tight for. Thank you plenty Amos Fongo, Malice and Ledu with the joy hand for say make all we bring on a Tory for this afternoon. As what for tomorrow if Papa God help. On a whole I'm tight for outside.